Hey guys, welcome to Sahana's World. In this video, I'll show you how to make Pav Bhaji in 30 minutes. This recipe is super easy and can be whipped up when you crave for some tasty street food. You only need a few ingredients and the most important is the Paav Bhaji masala, which is also easily available. So, without any delay, let's get started. Ingredient list is given in the description box below. In a pressure cooker, add some butter. When melted, add some roughly chopped potatoes and stir fry till color changes slightly, and then add tomatoes and green peas. Add some salt and 1 cup water. Close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. When the pressure releases on the cooker, mash the potatoes and tomatoes till you reach the desired consistency. Do this when potatoes are still hot. This helps the mash to become soft and smooth, just like the street side Pav Bhaji. In a pan, add butter and oil. When hot, add chopped onions. Add some salt and mix well. When they become soft, add chilli powder and garlic paste. Again, mix well and cook for a minute. At this stage, you can remove some 2-3 spoons to serve as a chutney along with the Pav Bhaji and keep aside. Then add cumin seeds and capsicum. Add a pinch of salt. Mix well. If you feel it is sticking at the bottom, add some water. If you want, you can also add butter. When the capsicum becomes soft, add the Pav Bhaji masala and fry for a minute or 2. Then add the mashed potato mixture. Add some salt and mix well. Add some Kashmiri chilli powder for color. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cup of water and mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Taste and adjust the salt and chili powder. If you find any potato chunks, mash them to make the bhaji very smooth. Close the lid and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Another trick here to make it just like the street style Pav Bhaji, transfer all the bhaji to another vessel and use the same pan to fry the pavs. Cut the pav in half, apply some butter and fry in the same pan that you made bhaji. Fry both the sides till golden and crispy. Serve with the side of the chutney that we kept aside earlier, some finely chopped onions, finely chopped coriander leaves and a wedge of lemon. Don't forget to add a dollop of butter to enhance the flavor of the already yummy Pav Bhaji. See you in the next video. Also check out my other easy recipes which I made last week. The links are in the description box below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Also write in the comment section below what other videos you would like me to make for you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you try my recipes, please send me a picture and I will feature it on my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.